Hey there, welcome back to Autistic. In this video, we'll be building a peer-to-peer chat app using Next.js and Peer.js. You'll learn how real-time communication works and how to create a simple chat interface without using a central server, except for ID generation. We'll start with the basics of peer-to-peer and RTC, scaffold the Next.js project, set up PeerJS, and then build a working chat interface. Let's get started. Real-time communication, or RTC, lets apps send data immediately between users. P2P, or peer-to-peer, means each user connects directly to another user instead of relying on a server. We'll be using PeerJS, a wrapper for WebRTC, to keep things simple. To start, we'll create a Next.js project and install the PeerJS package. As shown in the screenshot, in a command prompt or terminal window, run npx create-next-app and use the setup options shown on screen. The home component initializes a peer object, gets your peer ID, and handles connecting to another peer using the ID they give you. We use React hooks to manage the state and lifecycle of our PeerJS connections. The useEffect hook sets up everything we need to start chatting in real time. The chat window component is a self-contained chat UI that keeps track of your conversation history and allows you to send and receive messages in real time. Let's see it in action. Here, I run the dev server in my command prompt. Open the app in Firefox. Copy the peer ID from Firefox. Open the app in Chrome. Paste in the Firefox peer ID. Connect the two browsers, then send a few messages. Actually, one. This is all happening directly between browsers, no server needed. Now, I did have to adjust my firewall so Firefox could talk to Chrome. Thanks for building with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, follow Autistic for more neurodivergent-friendly coding projects. Let's keep learning and growing together. So here's how I implemented the search functionality in the Pokemon app. First, I created a state variable to save the search term. And then I modified our display Pokemon data function so that if the search term is set, it only displays data for the Pokemon that matches the search term. And then down here I created an onChange event I created a text box with an onChange event to set the search term. And then I also have my button down here, my search button, with an onClick event. And this calls the display Pokemon data function.